Hello guys, welcome back. Wash our sheep this chicken yam recipe. So this is my chicken, properly washed, clean, pepper flake, pepper, white pepper, powdered onion, ginger, garlic, basil, pasley, pepper soup spices, crayfish, salt, seasoning cube, and I will stir together properly, and I will cover it to bring out its sauce. So here is after 5 minutes it has brought out its sauce. I will add in my blended tomato and onion. I will add in water and I will stir and see if the water will be okay. But at this point I will still add more water. I'll cover and cook it for a while. So it has been cooking for a while. I find this yam inside my freezer and I decided to add it. So I tasted for salt. I will just sprinkle some salt, crayfish, pepper flake. I gave it a good stir. I'll cover and cook it until the yam is cooked. So the yam is cooked, guys. I added in my spring onion just to garnish it. All my returnees, thank you for returning. I see your like, your share, your comment. May the good Lord bless you. So at this point it's ready to be served. If you are new, turn on your post notifications, subscribe for more amazing videos. So at this junction it is ready to be consumed. Thank you for tuning in. Follow me on all social media platforms. Baby B is the name.